everyone, welcome to my channel. You guys can see I have a NOR gate chip, which is the NOR gate IC chip, which is 748CO2. I have two inputs because I have two inputs. So that for two inputs I have two resistors and one resistor for the output, which is attached with an LED so I can see the output, my results. So first I have attached my first input a resistor to the input 4B of the IC chip. Then the second resistor is going to go to the 4A input. Then I have the output. Don't make one mistake. Most of the people do what? They put the output here, output 3. No. You have input 4B, input 4A, so you have to have output 4. Don't put it to 3 because 3 is for input 3B, input 3A. So our one is output 4 because we have input 4B, input 4A. So our output will go to the resistor, and then my anode is attached with you guys can see I have anode with my LED, the resistor, and then my cathode is attached to the ground. Then I have a dip switch where I attached it with the power supply so that I can see my inputs, I can turn it on and see my outputs. So that, and then I have my power line which is attached to the power supply and the ground to the ground. So let's do the simulation. You guys can see I have a power supply attached to the breadboard and my voltage is 5 volts. So I can see that when my inputs are off, my output is on. When I have one input off, one input in, my output is off. When I have the reverse one, it's the same. When I have both of the inputs on, the output is still off.